Well, it seems a really long time since I started this project, although in reality it's only been a few weeks. I've been tied up with other things along the way. My target is to get out for a trip sometime in July. So I've actually got about 3 months now to get this to where it can be used. And I don't think that's unreasonable. What am I doing today? Well, need to strip out all of the lining. I'm going to take it easy because you never know, might be able to use the boards behind, probably can't. I want to put insulation in all the sides. I was looking at whether I'd insulate the floor or not, and it's already got quite a well fitted floor with these lockdown bars built into it. I think I can leave that and just lay a floor over the top. I might lose a little bit of head height, might lose a little bit of insulation, but I think that'll work a treat. And besides, these are held on by so many bolts that if I did take them out, I'd probably have a colander for a floor, which would be great for drainage, but might be a bit chilly in the winter. So, let's crack on. That's all the lining taken out, thank God. Wasn't too hard a job, couple of stuck screws, some adhesive still to get off, but other than that it's looking pretty good. Next thing on the agenda is to put soundproofing and put insulation on it. Now when I've stripped the boards out, you might see earlier on in the video, we've taken the grey cloth off them. There's still red adhesive on them, but overall most of them are in pretty good nick. I was planning to buy new board for the sides that's going to go behind cabinets. You're not going to really see it, and I've actually decided I'm going to give it a sand, give it a good prime, and I'm going to use that as the backboards. I don't see the point of using new when I've got that. Initially I was intending to keep them as templates, but I'd be cutting out very similar stuff and probably cutting it out worse than it was cut originally for the new stuff. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. It's not been a particularly long one, but it was essential work. We've got it done. We're quite pleased. If you like this kind of thing, do subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you want to. But thanks very much for watching, and I can't wait to be on with the next one.